Hi, I'm Muskan Jain and I'm a jewelry designer. We all know that the Odisha is very much famous for the flora, the flowers, and it is also very religious to the people living here. We have a collection named Parijata, but we don't have any jewelry which is inspired from Parijata flowers.
I'm Sushma Ipari, founder of Jewellery, a brand which is specialized for only filigree in Odisha. With beads, we have been working together since last 6 months, and we have come up with a collaboration to work along with the artisans of filigree with ceramic work, which they love to do.
Beads as a brand focuses on the immense potential and the immense creative reservoir that Odisha has in its craft scene. Whether it be contemporary tableware, jewellery, home decor, we believe Odisha's crafts and craftsmen can bring together something really special in the contemporary aesthetic while mining ancient traditions.
Silver filigree is very much famous in Cuttack, and it is going on from like very past few years. When I was doing my market research, the trends which were going on and the material which is very famous in the market, the ceramic was nowhere in the scene. Bringing that old silver filigree back in the market, so I tried to make a fusion of ceramic and silver filigree, which can be a new variant, which can be a new piece in the market.
Now in beads, we're relentlessly looking at new designs, new concepts, fusion of different crafts, and hence we felt that ceramics would be an interesting space to look at when it comes to jewellery. And we already had the Parijat collection, and the Parijat collection lends itself to the exploration of flowers, leaves, vines, and beautiful natural objects that we thought could be used to create very interesting jewellery concepts.
So the collection called Parijata have 3 variants in it. The first one is the silver one, the second is the only ceramic, and the third one is the fusion of ceramic and silver filigree. Most of the people think that ceramic in jewelry is going to be very heavy and it's not going to be very versatile. So keeping that thing in mind, I try to make those pieces in a versatile way so that you can wear one earring as a pendant also, and you can wear it in so many different ways.
The jewelry collection of ceramic with beads, and it is a very fantastic collection.
Finally, we also looked at the concept of fusion of crafts with ceramics, and that lent us to looking at dokra beads and natural fibers as things that we could merge with jewellery. That led to the creation of a series of leaf pendants that are right now the cornerstone of the Parijat ceramic collection for jewellery.